Hello everyone, welcome back to Beena's Notebook. This video is the continuation of the last one, sentences. Although the topic is very easy, but कभी-कभी हम sentences को लेके उसके structure को लेके फंस जाते हैं. So to clear all your doubts, please watch the full video till the end and know the differences in a different way. In my last video, we had a discussion about imperative and assertive sentences. So today we are going to discuss about interrogative and exclamatory sentences. Both are easy, but still we get confused at some point of its structure. So let's get started and know about it. We understand sentences with the punctuations, but that is not enough. The next is interrogative sentences. It is one of the 4 basic types of sentence and it's highly useful one. Could you imagine life without questions? So, at first, we should know what is interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence contains a direct question and an interrogation mark is put at the end of the sentences. For example, where do you live? Which car would make you happier? Why haven't you started studying? These are interrogative sentences. But interrogative sentences can serve as WH questions as well as yes and no questions. WH questions, they are formed using an interrogative words such as who, what, why, how to specify the information required as I already mentioned. WH questions are also called open questions because the number of possible responses is limitless. This means that must be answered with more informations. Not just a simple yes or no. The next is yes or no questions. Yes or no questions are made using verbs, that is helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, have, had, do, does, did, can, will, should or etc. These questions are designed to be answered simply with either an affirmative, that is positive, or a negative. They start with a verb or helping verbs followed by a subject. For example, do you believe in ghosts? Have you ever seen a UFO? Do you like chocolates, milkshakes? The answer could be yes or no. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस यानी वो सेंटेंसेस जिसमें सवाल हो. इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस को 2 तरह से बनाया जाता है. एक WH वर्ड से यानी वेयर, व्हाट, विच लगा के, और इनसे पूछे गए सवाल का आंसर यस और नो नहीं होता यानी सिंपल नहीं होता. एक लाइन का भी आंसर हो सकता है या उससे थोड़ा बड़ा आंसर भी ब्रीफली में हो सकता है. बट दूसरा है यस और नो क्वेश्चंस यानी इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस जो कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब से बनता हो. डू, डज, इज, एम, आर ये सब हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स है. इनसे शुरू होता हो और इनके आंसर या तो यस लगा के या तो नो लगा के यानी पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव आंसर इनके होते हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड विथ इंटरोगेटिव sentences, questions with WH and questions with helping verbs. The next sentence which we are going to discuss about is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence makes a statement that conveys strong emotions or excitement. It provides or expresses outpouring of sudden feelings. एक suddenness होता है exclamatory sentence में. We place a tiny stripe above a period at the end of every sentence. You are amazing. God, I am in heaven. In these sentences, we can see the sudden feelings. Exclamatory sentences are so powerful that they can stand alone for example, wow, fantastic, hooray. Wow, I really love you. Fantastic. Let's go. In these 2 examples, you don't have to divide the sentiment into the separate sentences. Instead, insert a comma. The next point about exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentences also begin with WH words. Yes, WH words like what, where, how, etc. What a cute puppy. What a happy ending. So, sentences begin with WH words does not mean it is an interrogative sentence. So, where lies the difference? WH से शुरू होता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. इसी चीज को हमें पहचानना है. तो हम कैसे जानेंगे कि WH से शुरू हुआ सेंटेंस एक्सक्लेमेटरी है या इंटेरोगेटिव है. Always remember that in interrogative sentences, if a sentence start with a WH word will be followed by a verb or helping verb. For example, what are you doing? Who wrote this book? Here in these two sentences, are is the helping verb and wrote is the main verb in the simple past. Whereas those exclamatory sentences which start with WH words will be followed with either a noun, pronoun or an adjective, not a verb. Okay? For example, how cute the baby is. So always know the differences structurally also. कुछ सेंटेंसेस हमें सेम लगता है बट हमको समझना होगा सेंटेंस के स्ट्रक्चर से भी, तभी हम अपने डाउट्स को क्लियर कर पाएंगे. So friends, I hope you like the video. I know all these are common to you, still know the differences, and in the next video we are going to know about the difference between exclamatory and optative. Both are different, not same, only they are merged by our grammarians. So happy learning and keep watching Beena's Notebook. See you again. Bye bye.